Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a cleanliness campaign which was launched on 2nd October 2014, and it is to be targeted by 2nd October 2019 under the Swachh Bharat Mission. The Swachh Bharat Mission, which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2nd October 2014 with an aim of the main objective of Swachh Bharat is to eliminate the open defecation and to construct the toilets in urban and rural India. A total of 90 million toilets to be constructed by the ministries. There are two ministries involved in Swachh Bharat mission. These 90 million toilets to be constructed by 2019 with a budget of 1,96,000 crores. And the two ministries involved in Swachh Bharat in the urban is Ministry of Housing and Rural, Ministry of Housing and Urban Development, and in the rural it is held by the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. So, there are two ministries involved in Swachh Bharat mission and the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So, why this 2019 is selected? Okay, why 2nd October 2019 is selected as the targeted year for Swachh Bharat mission. So, within these 5 years, the targeted construction of toilets to be finished, cleanliness to be achieved, and drinking water to be provided to all the villages, nearly 6 lakh villages in India, or else any other cities of India. So, total India to be covered under Swachh Bharat for cleanliness, because 2019 is the year where India is going to celebrate 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So, as in the saying of Mahatma Gandhi, cleanliness is next to godliness, and he followed it. So, on his 150th birth anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has committed to provide cleanliness to Indian cities, towns as well as rural villages. And coming to the Swachh Bharat mission, which will also contribute to the UNO's, United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, that is under 6th category of SDG, Sustainable Development Goal, which is mentioned as clean water and sanitation for all. So, Swachh Bharat is also included in the SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, to achieve the cleanliness, okay, as of water as well as sanitation for all. And coming to the SDG, which was framed in the year 2015, and the total number of goals are 17. So, all these 17 goals are to be achieved by 2020. And coming to this Swachh Bharat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2016 launched Swachh Sarvekshan survey. According to this survey, the Prime Minister will rank the cities having cleanliness. So, in the year 2017, the topmost city was Indore. The first ranked city of cleanliness is Indore. Second is Bhopal, and the third one is Visakhapatnam of Andhra Pradesh. So, better you have this list. Okay, the first one is Indore, second one is Bhopal, and the third one is Visakhapatnam. And coming to the 2016 category, under such Sarvekshan survey, the first city ranking in cleanliness was Mysore, and the second one was Chandigarh, the capital city of Punjab and Haryana. and the third one is Tiruchirappalli of Tamil Nadu. So, in this way the Prime Minister has built up a complete scenario for Swachh Bharat mission to achieve the Swachh Bharat mission by 2019. Apart from this, he also appointed some brand ambassadors for Swachh Bharat. At the national level, it is Kapil Sharma, and the next Sourav Ganguly, the cricketer Sourav Ganguly, Kiran Bedi, who is also the governor of Pondicherry right now, and also she was the first woman IPS officer of India. So, Kiran Bedi was also appointed as brand ambassador for Swachh Bharat. And the next one is Srimati Sonal Mansingh. Sonal Mansingh was a classical dancer which may be asked in the exams also. Next, and coming to the Telugu speaking states, the brand ambassadors are like Pawan Kalyan, next Koneru Hampi, Ramoji Rao, GVK Reddy, P. Gopichand, SP Balasubramaniam. So, these names may be highlighted in the examination, it may be asked in the examination also. So, aspirants be aware about all these issues. If at all a question is asked about Swachh Bharat, okay. So, it may be regarding such survection about 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi in 2019. So, where the target is set for Swachh Bharat mission, or it may be 90 million toilets to be constructed by the upcoming 2019, and the total budget is 1,96,000 crores which is set for Swachh Bharat mission, etc., etc. And moreover, Ganga rejuvenation, that is Clean Ganga mission, is also included in this Swachh Bharat mission. So, it is a aim of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clean India in all the categories.